How to delete kiwi.com account. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can delete your kiwi.com account. Note that your kiwi.com account is very deletable, so if you're no longer interested in keeping the account, just watch me as I show you how to do so in this tutorial. The first thing to do is to log in into your kiwi.com account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you report to the home page. On the home page, right left side of the screen, you'll see some options such as logo, travel, cars, stays, stories, travel hacks, deals, etc. And then by the right side, you'll see other options as well. Then the next thing for you to do is to click on your profile name or your profile icon. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see other options such as my trips, inbox, locked prices, price alerts, kiwi.com credits, refer a friend, preferences. You just click on preferences like that. When you click on preferences, you'll be taken or redirected to the preferences page. On this page, all you need to do is to scroll down until you see privacy and security. Once you see it, click on it. Then once you click on privacy and security, you'll be redirected to the privacy and security page. On this page, you see your sign-in details and how you can edit it. And then when you scroll down, you see the option delete your account. So just go ahead and click on delete your account. Once you click on delete your account, a box would pop up asking you to retype your email. And once if you typed it, click on delete your account, and then you'll be asked if you're sure. And then if you say yes, just like that, your account would be deleted. So go ahead and delete that account today. Thanks for watching.